Yo, as most of you guys are aware, the current market for new trucks is through the roof, ungodly expensive, and then you're adding on really ridiculous interest rates. So I'm normally the guy that every couple of years I get a new truck, okay? Love them. I just love them. You know, you get the warranties, you get the fresh new truck smell, you don't do any of the maintenance crap, etc., etc. So the itch has been happening, and it's been driving me bonkers, and it's taken everything in my willpower to not buy a new truck, except when I went to go look at new trucks, and I realized the exact same truck I have right now, okay, is $20,000 more. So once I realized that, I was like, absolutely not. We're not spending 20 grand more to get the exact same truck. So I'll show you right now. So as you can see, my truck currently has 54,543 miles on it. And I've decided that I'm not gonna buy a new truck. Instead, we're gonna make this one over, because this truck is perfectly fine. It's a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn with the off-road package, 4-wheel drive, and it's been super good to me, like really good. You know, she's got her bumps and her scrapes, and the tires are worn out all to hell, but she's been really good to me. So I figured, let's save a ton of money. Now, the window sticker on this truck originally was $52,900. I got it out the door for $40,000. Okay, that was back when you know, dealers were doing crazy deals on trucks. You know, I think it was like $14,000 off of some of the Ram 1500s at the time. And I got this right before, like, November of 2019. It's almost 2020. So I got a smoking deal. Again, if you look this truck up right now, Ram Bighorn, off-road package, yada, 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 the price on this thing, like the MSRP on this thing right now, is high 50s, which I'll never give that for a Ram 1500 Bighorn. I do have cloth seats, but everything else in this truck is pretty gorked out. So, you know, again, off-road package, it's got front rear park assist, tow package, it's got the, you know, big touch screen, you know, windows, door locks, slider rear windows, yada, yada, yada. It's got everything. The only thing I regret not getting is the sunroof, which sucks. I really regret not getting the sunroof now. I also wish it had the memory seats like the Laramies have. I love that feature, especially like when someone gets in your truck, messes with your seat. I love to just be able to press a button and it goes back. It's not even an option on the Bighorn, which sucks. I live in Florida. I'm not a fan of leather. It gets super hot down here and burns the shit out of you. So I would rather do without the leather seats. So I don't really care that I don't have leather seats. Actually, I prefer it. But sunroof and those dang memory seats would have been incredible. So the interior of the truck, I've kept it absolutely mint. Let's do a quick walk around the outside. Buddy, there she is, okay? 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Now, right away, you're going to see it does have the off-road package, as you can see by the sticker in the back there. However, she's got, you know, that classic rake. And I think first order of business is we got to replace these tires. These are the factory Falken Wild Peak AT3s that came with the truck. I actually love these tires. You guys can see up here though, they're getting pretty bold. But I've gotten 55,000 miles out of those, rotating them really religiously. And you know, I park on the curb out here sometimes. You could tell I've well, chewed up that sidewall a little bit. But I really think first order of business is we're gonna do a leveling kit on this guy, and we're gonna throw some brand new 35-inch tires on that. It's something I've wanted to do since I bought the truck, and I just haven't done it because, again, those tires were really nice, and even though they were a little small, they were a good quality tire, and I was like, well, I'll change them, you know, when they wear out. I didn't think I'd get 55,000 miles out of them, so I was expecting to do this maybe a year and a half ago. So, to say the least, I'm really freaking excited to finally put the leveling kit on this thing. Up front, you know, very stock Ram 1500. Go Knights, baby. It does have the factory tow hooks. It's got the park sensors and stuff on it. Those headlights, they're factory halogens. We'll probably be swapping those out to some LEDs. I think that's kind of the plan here. You know, we got your drip rails. We got some window tint here. I actually did this. I want to say I put 20 over the whole thing. I actually might redo it and go a little dark on the front. Actually, I might strip all of it and just do all of it, maybe, you know, less than maybe 15%. We'll see. I don't know. Rough country running boards. My dad actually got me those for Christmas one year when I got the truck. Unbelievably sturdy. I really kind of had my doubts about these at first, but these things are rock solid. So those are going to stay. Huge like footprint area there to step on. Really love the support those things give you. So that's been pretty killer. Coming back here, we got a tonneau cover. This is a flip and roll tonneau cover by Truck Sport. My got this as a gift as well. Man, it's been really good. Really thinking about swapping this out for a hard rolling tonneau cover instead of the traditional soft. But otherwise, you know, it's been pretty good. Got a spray and bed liner. I've got some truck toolboxes, but otherwise it's fairly stock. So it's got some bumps and bruises. This thing got rear-ended like a year and a half ago. So nothing was really too bad except the back bumper had to be replaced. I got it replaced and someone hit it again. Gotta love living in the great state of Florida and Orlando, especially where nobody can drive. So I don't know, man. You know, you're busy, and I hate the touch car washes, but as you can see in the paint here, the paint needs buffed bad. So I've been going through those drive-through car washes since I've had it new. Man, it's done a number on the paint. So one of the things we're going to do, again, first, I think we're going to do the leveling kit and tires, get it sitting right. We're going to come back through. I want to buff, polish, cut, wax the whole truck. I'm going to learn how to ceramic coat on this truck. That's a big thing I want to do. We're going to try to buff this out as much as we can, but it's going to need repainted again. It took some of the clear coat off, unfortunately. But it definitely needs, especially being a black truck. I love the way it looks, but man, are these things a pain in the rear end to keep clean. Like, just the worst. And I never wanted to buy a black truck, but when I saw this online, the way it was sitting and stuff, I was like, damn, this thing is sweet. So I ended up with a black truck. I love the way it looks when it's washed, and then, you know, it's a real mess every day after that. So what else? Like I said, I kind of told you guys about the accident here. Had to replace the rear bumper. Up there by the third brake light, I think the car wash, the automatic car wash, put a couple dings up there. I had a PDR guy already come out and fix that for me. As well as over here, I had gotten in a fight on this door here with a McDonald's barricade that keeps you kind of in the drive-through. I lost that fight. It put a big old, you know, kind of dent crease right in the middle of that door. Luckily, though, my guy at Orlando Paintless Dent Removal came out, was able to fix that for me, and was able to fix that. And I mean, you can't even tell they're there anymore. So super psyched to get those popped out. I literally just had those popped out like maybe 2 weeks ago. So that's the first modification, but, or repair rather, not modification. But you could see, you know, we got the door ding there. You know, we got some, you know, scrapes, some dings. We're going to try to fix all that, okay? I'm not giving somebody $70,000 for a new truck, and especially with the interest rates. And I've got good credit and everything, but the interest rates are bananas. And so we're going to rehab this guy, and I'm super excited about that. So like I said, we're going to start with a leveling kit. We're going to throw some 35s on this guy. It's going to pick it up. You're going to make it look tough. We're going to buff, cut, polish, detail, ceramic coat the whole truck. I'm going to throw some new headlights in it, I think. I'm going to throw some new taillights in it. Throw a new brake light on it. I'm probably not going to mess with the exhaust and engine, but we're going to make this truck brand new. And it's going to be awesome. So stay tuned. Next video will be the whole leveling kit series. I'm psyched. I think this thing's going to look badass. The one thing I am a little nervous about is I am buying the ReadyLift 2-inch leveling kit for this. Very conflicting stories, if you will, or opinions on, can you put a 2-inch leveling kit on the off-road package? I've seen yes and no. I've seen 2 inches too big. I've seen 2 inches fit just fine. The front does measure 22 inches, which is apparently perfect for the 2-inch leveling kit. We're going to see. We're going to put it on, and we're going to see if it's a mistake or not. I called ReadyLift. They swore to me up and down that it will not cause any issues and that it'll fit on the truck just fine. Some of the forums say you can't go bigger than 1.5 inch because this already has a 1-inch factory leveling kit. So the ReadyLift kit has a strut spacer, and it's got a new control arm that's adjusted for that. So we're going to put it on and see if it fits, and then I will be able to tell everybody confidently that the 2-inch works or not. So wish me luck on that, and let's see what comes of this thing. Hopefully it's going to be badass and prevent me from buying a brand new truck. Talk later, guys. Bye.